Howdy, Michael, the Mercedes guy here, and we're looking at a 1950s, 1960s manual transmission. This is the type that loads from the top. So if you have a floor shifter, it has a different top with a rod for shifting. Column shift, the top has 3 arms. This is about how to inspect it. So, you want to completely drain it and make sure it's warm so it's really drained, because you want to shine a light down in there and look at all the teeth on the cluster, which is a gear at the bottom. Slowly rotate and look at every single tooth. Then, to check your synchronizers, those are the brass rings here. This is the slider gear. And when you shift, this is rotating, and this slider pushes that synchro up so that there's friction on the steel gear and slows it down so they're turning the same so that you can shift without grinding. So, how do you tell if you have good synchros? When they get so worn that there's no space right in here where my thumbnail is, then they're going to grind when you shift. So check your synchros, first, second, third, fourth. Then you want to inspect the teeth right here, these steel teeth, to make sure that the sides are absolutely parallel with each other. If there's the slightest taper, I'll exaggerate, then it's going to pop out of gear. So inspect those. And of course, inspect all the teeth up here. And then your reverse is kind of hidden down in there. Let's see if I can get it to move here. There we go. Now, the reverse does not have synchros. So you can get by with a slightly damaged tooth on your reverse. Then check your bearings by moving this up and down. Boy, this is nice and tight. Back here as well. And when you have your tranny out, if it passes beautifully, yes, you can put it in as is. But if you got a problem, you need to really pull it apart and put new needle bearings in, maybe new front and rear bearings, at least a rear seal, and of course new gaskets. I do have these for sale if you need one, and I inspect them and guarantee them.